Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to stop Adobe Gen 1 software monitor service. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So now we are going to open services. Now you see type here to search. So click on it and then write here services. Now you see services. So click on it. Now services section open and then you see Adobe Gen 1 software monitor service. Now you see status running, startup automatic. So we are going to stop or disable it. Right click on it and then you see stop. So click on it and then you see status stop and then you see startup type automatic. So when you restart your system, this service will run again. So it's up to you. If you want startup type manual, right click on it and then click on properties. Now you see startup type automatic manual and then click on apply and then click on OK. Now you see. So after that you will restart your system and then this service will not restart auto. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.